Are you stupid and think you need a new roof? You don't. You just need GoNano.
Really?
Your roof has been left battered from years of hail damage, granule loss, and other random threats.
That's just Ned.
Hey, you tell your dog not to piss on my plants!
Don't worry, Ned, he didn't. That was all me.
Yeah, I thought it was you, one of your stupid kids!
GoNano uses nanotechnology to strengthen your roof from the inside out, slowing down aging, protecting it from UV rays, granule loss, hail damage, and extends the life by 15 years. Guaranteed.
15 years. It's pretty good. It's longer than any woman's one been willing to stick around with me.
Other companies use soybean oil or bio oil and only offer temporary protection. GoNano protects you at the nanoscale.
So you don't have to buy a whole new roof?
No! That would cost you thousands. GoNano can extend the life of your roof for 85% less than a new roof.
Well, that would leave me a lot of money for that moat I want to build.
Oh no, not a moat. If anyone tried to get to your house, it would very briefly slow them down.
Stay on your side of the road!
A roof without GoNano is like a car without seatbelts, or a castle without a moat. Get smart, get GoNano.